Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai Tucson. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and it is there. We go to, well, we'll be able to go there. So if you click telephone, no Bluetooth device is paired. Would you like to pair a new device? That would be yes, or you can also go into settings, but there you go. We'll do the easy way, yes. It'll come up at the bottom here, Tucson. There you go, Tucson. Click on Tucson. Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair? Yes. Connecting Bluetooth device. Confirm Bluetooth is active on your device. That's it. It's connected. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will if you're buying this vehicle, or you've got one of these, of course. So I'm going to click don't allow there, but you click allow. So that's it done.